Now I'm gonna tell you about the three products, that is retinol, hyaluronic acid, and third one is the sheet mask. Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. So you be wondering why I'm here for. So I'm here to tell you some of the important products which makes your skin more youthful, happy, and all remove all your hyperpigmentation, acne scar, and even tone your skin. You know what? It also remove and reduce your aging. So let's check it out the video and how it makes your skin more youthful and also reduce your aging. Just here I'm gonna tell you about the retinol, which is Dermaco retinol, as is dermatologist tested and clinically proven. In retinol, there is a vitamin A which allows the behavior of aged cells and support healthy cell turn to refine skin texture, boost radiance, and treat the sign of aging. It smooths the skin, refines skin texture, minimize pores, also minimize new breakouts. As it's clinically proven, as I already told you, and safe retinol allows the skin renewal process, enhance collagen production, and even reduce uneven texture, dark spots, sunspots, and hyperpigmentation, and even out skin tone. Retinol makes your skin even. So you must be thinking that how it works actually. Actually, it's dissolved discoloration and making skin glow. It hydrates and nourishes skin, leaving it firm and younger looking skin. Vitamin C and retinol give radiant looking and spotless skin. So everybody want the same, no? Even I want the same. Now I'm gonna tell you about the second product, that is hyaluronic acid. So you must be thinking that why I'm telling you to put acid on your face. So that's actually not true. It's not an acid, so don't have to worry about it. So it's a sugar found naturally in our skin that hold water and help it hydrate and plump. Basically, it's within our bodies and hold 1,000 times of its weight in water to not only retain all moisture in our skin and joints, but also it prevents all that moisture from evaporating into the air. As a dermatologist proven, so I am very much happy, and I was just very much happy to tell you that it's a Dermacro product, so I don't have to think a lot about it. And it's just in hyaluronic acid, it's a collagen, elasticity, the amount of natural occurring hyaluronic acid in our bodies and decrease as we get older. However, ways to help to stimulate production of hyaluronic acid in our body. As is a skin grade products like creams, hyaluronic acid is so powerful humectant. When it's used in skincare products like creams, serums, hyaluronic acid brings moisture to the surface of your skin because its ability of draw and hold water, and it can used as a humectant in your skincare regime. And it makes your skin appear more dewy, younger looking skin, and improve skin elasticity. Hyaluronic acid is so powerful at pulling moisture to the surface of your skin, and you likely don't need to use it more than one product in your routine. Everything is having a positive aspect, so I want to aware you about the negative aspect as well. That if you won't use it in a proper proportion or proper manner, or if you don't use it in an appropriate or correct manner, then it makes your skin dehydrate and it also damp your skin. So I'm going to tell you in this video that how to apply in a proper amount at night time so that your skin looks more hydrated and glowing. So see, I tell you about the product which I use in the night care so that it makes a difference in my skin. So I tell you how to apply those products and what is the sequence of the product. So I just tell you in this video. Firstly, I remove all my makeup which I applied on my face. So I'll just remove it, and after that I'll tell you how to apply those products. You have to properly wash your face so that no makeup is found on your skin. There is a sequence before applying all three products. Firstly, we just apply a retinol. Secondly, we apply a hyaluronic acid. And thirdly, I apply a sheet mask. So I'll go with the retinol, and we take a little quantity of this and put it at night. As it's dermatologist proven, so I really feel like it's very much safe for your skin. you apply, you have to don't put nearby your eyes. It feels so good because there is no fragrance in. Now this is the second step, that is the Riva Lift. Okay, it's 1.5 hyaluronic acid. So I apply all over my face. So we'll take 2 to 3 drops of hyaluronic acid. Now what I'll do, I'll just mix all over my face. After applying hyaluronic acid, what you keep in mind is, as you have to put lots and lots of cream. I mean, not and lots of cream. It's just you have to layer it your face with the moisturizer or the sunscreen. So here I'm using the L'Oreal sunscreen. So I'll apply all over my face. You have to gently massage it on your face, not too harsh on your skin. You have to layer all over your face, even on your neck. That is the best night care routine which I really feel like, because it's one of the top company. Hyaluronic acid is a worldwide, it's an international brand. Now this is the third step. It's a sheet mask. It's a hyaluronic acid sheet mask. So generally what happen is, on one side there is a sheet mask and inside the sheet mask there is a serum. But this is a new version of hyaluronic acid. This is a new type of sheet mask where this side is sheet mask and other side is a hyaluronic acid. And what we all need to do is, there is a line drawn here. So we have to transfer all the serum in this side, and how we used to do is, the line drawn here, we have to hold this in this way, and second side there is also one more line drawn here. So what we need to do, we have also wrap in this way both the sides, and we have to transfer all the serum from this way to this way. So what we need to do, we have to transfer. So I'll transfer all the serum to the other side, and that is sheet mask. So it absorbs all the serum inside it. So that is the best. I feel like it's a worldwide international brand, and in USA everybody is using, and it's the ranking is first, and on the top it's. So that's how we just transfer all the serum inside it. So just check it out. There is so many of serum inside it. So we just transfer all of it. And there is little bit quantity left over here. We have to transfer all the serum to the sheet. Third step is this sheet mask, which I transfer all the serum from this way to this way. So now I apply all over my face. So let me take it out. Here's the serum, and see, it's all into the sheet mask. The amount is too much in this sheet mask. Even this serum is not falling down. if some quantity is left inside this hyaluronic acid is left inside this, then what we need to do is we just take it out this serum from this, and what we need to do, we just apply on our hands like how I'm doing it, or we just apply it on our neck as well. So we don't have to waste all the serum, we just put it on our face or hands or